Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy.
Today we're going to be doing a windshield repair on, instead of replacing the windshield, we're going to repair it. As you can see, that's the rock chip right there. That behind it, that's my mirror, so I can actually see what's going on underneath there. And I'm going to show you how I go about repairing that. It's a kit that's made specifically for repair on windows. You don't buy that do-it-yourself kit in the parts store. This is a professional grade. So let me get set up, and I'm going to show you how I repair the window versus replacing it. All right, we'll come right back. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up over the center of the hole where the actual rock chip is in the window. That's right here is where the chip is. So we're going to set this up right over the top of it like this. And then we're going to take our tool. I'm going to get the tool all set up, and then I'll show you how it goes. This is the tool here. You got to put a little bit of seal, like lubricant on the seal. And this is what the tool looks like. I know it's probably a little bit difficult for you to see, but that's what the tool looks like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of drops of repair resin into here. You only need about 3-4 drops. I know it's hard to see with my hand there. Alright. And we install our seal up on the top like this. And now we're going to just let the air out through the top of it. Very little comes up. Now we're going to take this and we're going to center it over that break in the window. Once you come in contact with the window, you're not going to go too far. You're just going to go just a little bit to make it snug. And then we're going to pull the air out of the window. And the way you pull the air out is you just pull this up and down like 3 times, 4 times. Leave it on the window like that, and now we'll just leave it like that for a little bit. It's sucking the air out from around the fraction. Okay, now after it pulls the vacuum for a period of time, I don't know if you can see it down in there, but you can see where all the air is out of it now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to release it, and we're going to let the resin flow into that fracture. You just put it on there. Let the resin, now what happens, the resin is going down into there, it's going to flow into where that fracture was, and it's going to fill in all around where that break was right there. Now once the resin gets in there, we'll wait a couple of minutes and let it go in, then we're going to put our curing light on there, and we're going to cure the break. And the way you do that is just, it's an ultraviolet light. You just put it on the window like this, and I'm going to grab my jump start box, and we're going to turn it on, and we're going to cure the resin in there. But we're going to let this sit for a little bit first. We're going to let the resin flow in. Once the resin flows in, then we're going to put the light on it. So let's let the resin flow in, and then we'll come right back. Okay, now we have our light on it. We're going to let the light stay on here now, and the UV is going to actually cure the resin that's inside the window around that fracture. So we're going to do it, we're going to leave the light here for 3 minutes on this one, 3 minutes on this side, 3 minutes on this side, and then we'll remove the pump here, and then we'll finish the final step. We're going to fill that little pit where the initial impact was. So let's let this light cure it, and once it finishes curing, then we'll come right back. Okay, once we finish curing the window on the 3 spots with the light, we take it off, and now we can remove the pump from the window. And then we're gonna fix that initial rock chip. We're going to scrape off the resin as it dried, if you don't. Now we're going to take the pit filler, and we're going to fill the initial impact point where it actually, where the rock actually hit it and fractured the outside part of the window. Just put a couple of drops of resin on there, and we're just going to put a clean tab over the top like this, and then we're going to reinstall our light again. 3 to 4 minutes. All right, so we'll let that cure, and then we'll come right back. But as you can see, that resin gets really pretty hard, and what it does, a windshield is fractured. You'll always have the fracture in there. What happens is the resin fills in that fractured area right here, and when you cure it, it bonds it together, keeps it like glue, keeps it from spreading any further. So, all right, let's let this resin dry in here, and we're going to clean off this pit up on top here, and we'll finish this job off. So we'll come back in about 3-4 minutes, and we'll finish it off. Okay, now that the time has passed for the resin to cure, we just take our UV light out of the way, and we just take this tab off like that, and then we just work a razor blade back and forth, and you see how hard that resin gets. What this is now is this is just filling in the initial impact point where the window was broken on the outside. So we're just going to keep on working this back and forth until we get it down just to that initial hit where it hit. Okay, that's the spot where it actually hit. That's now filled in. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to buff it and polish that spot so that it blends into the rest of the window. Okay. Now that it's dried and cured, that's what it's going to look like pretty much. You see the initial impact point right there, but the fracture below is now filled in, and it's not going to spread any further because you took care of the actual break on the outside, and we sealed everything with the resin and cured it on the inside. So that's pretty much what it's going to look like when it's all done. I mean, it looks a heck of a lot better than it did when it initially happened. See? You can see pretty much nothing from where it was hit. All right, thanks for watching. Like always, see you on the next one.